Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the March BoxyCharm. And it's actually like a smaller box this month, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But I don't know, I haven't heard anything bad about them, so we'll see what's in here. So before we jump into this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell to be notified every time I upload. So without further ado, let's go see the March BoxyCharm box. So what have you guys been up to? Like, are y'all quarantined? Are you guys still working? Does anybody have the coronavirus? Does anybody know anybody that has the coronavirus? Like, I'm pretty curious because I'm in Alabama. Everybody has gone crazy. Like, there's no toilet paper on the shelves. There's no meat. There's no potatoes. So I'm like, everybody's going to make sure that they're going to be able to eat meat and potatoes, get their protein and their carbs, and then also wipe their butt. I mean, like, that's like our priorities, you know, but you know, whatever. So let's jump right into the BoxyCharm. Like I said earlier, it's a little bit of a smaller box this month. So, I mean, big things come in small packages, so let's just see what's going on. Okay, so I didn't get a pamphlet again in my BoxyCharm. Like, it was in my first couple and now it's not anymore. I wonder, do they stop it? Okay, so the first thing we have is a lipstick, and it is by the brand Appeal. This is very, very cute packaging, and it is in the shade Stripped. So you can barely see the name, but it is like right there. And this is the color. It's kind of like a neutral pinky brownish color. It looks a bit darker on camera, but that is the color that is coming off as. It actually looks kind of like a peachy brownish neutral color, but it looks really pretty actually. So I'm excited to test that out. Okay, so the next one, I've heard this called like Murad. I don't know however you pronounce it, but I say Murad. But it's the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for the eyes. This is what the packaging looks like. And it says, deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. And it says you use it in the AM and the PM. So I think it's a little bit bigger than like my normal kind of like eye cream pods, but the thing about eye creams is that you're not supposed to like use a lot or have to use a lot. So that's why I think they all are in like smaller containers, but I'm pretty excited to try this. Yeah, and so it is like a cream, like it really does look like kind of a lotion. It looks very rich, like a rich cream. Okay, I got a little scared because at first I thought this was the Kat Von D, that liquid eyeliner that I got. I think it was 2 months ago in my BoxyCharm, but it's actually the Kat Von D Signature Brow, and it is in the shade Taupe. So I'm kind of excited to try that. Maybe it's the right color for me. I've been striking out with eyebrow products, like they've just been like too dark and like just awful. But this is what it looks like. It is a really, really slim pencil. So I don't know if my camera will pick up on it, but it's actually kind of like an oval shape. I don't know if you guys can tell, but do you see that? It's kind of like more flat and oval instead of like the normal kind of just like circle. And it's like a flat but pointy kind of tip to it. So that's interesting. Let's see what the color is. Oh no, it already looks like dried out. Do you see that? Oh man. Yeah, I mean, it's like super scratchy. It's not even. So that's the pigment. Like, it was super hard to even get any kind of pigment or any kind of color on it, and it feels really scratchy. That sucks. Maybe it'll be different on my eyebrows, but I mean, we're gonna test it out and see. And then it does have a spoolie on the other end, so if all else fails, I can, you know, at least use the spoolie. And next we have Becca, and it is the Ultimate Lip Definer. This is their packaging. Becca always has like the cutest packaging. And it is in the shade Charming. So just looking at the shade of the color, I wonder if it's going to match with like the lipstick that I got. So this is what it looks like. So on one end, you just pop this kind of plastic piece off, and that is actually like a rubber kind of thing that like cleans up like any kind of lipstick, and it kind of really defines your lips. But then you take it out and flip it over and it's a sharpener. And that's so cute and such a good idea. Okay, so it's not gonna match the lipstick, but that's okay. So I wonder if this is supposed to be a lip liner or an actual like lip liner and a lipstick. But that's the color of it right here. It's actually really, really pretty. Okay, so it says a high impact precise lip liner. Okay, so it is a lip liner. With a built-in sharpener, the always sharp formula effortlessly contours and defines the lips with the perfect balance of color and precision. Apply to lips to define, sculpt, and enhance your natural pout. Okay. Okay, so it is a lip liner, but I like the color as like even a lipstick. I mean, there's no rules in makeup, so I'll use it as both. And then last but not least, BoxyCharm has actually came out with like their own eyeshadow palette. So this is what the packaging looks like, just like it does on the box. It says, hello charmers. It is super cute packaging. And it has like little hashtags and @ symbols. That's so cute. And then we open it up. Okay, these are super, super pretty colors. Like, those are so pretty. Like, especially like the neutrals, like right here, and then that exclusive dark shade up there. Yeah, that's cute. I definitely cannot wait to try this. And they also put the ingredients of the eyeshadows on the back, which is a really good idea. But I'm actually looking for like the name of the palette. I wonder if this one is just specifically called Hello Charmer, or that's what they say on all of them. I don't know. I'll look it up though. Alright guys, so that is it for this short little March BoxyCharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of items you got in your BoxyCharm, because I always like to see what everybody has, you know, just to kind of compare the items that I got in my box, which I actually really like my box. I think, you know, I got a lot of stuff that I'll actually use. I'm kind of a little eerie about the eyebrow pencil, but I'm not gonna say anything too crazy until we test it out. But it does look a little dry, like it's already dried out, and I haven't even used it or opened it. Today was the first time I opened it, so I'm interested to see how that actually pays off, but we will see. So if you guys did not see my last unboxing video, it was for February, and it was a little late. I actually think I filmed it at the beginning of this month, sorry. I had the flu and was out of town and everything, but I was actually going to do that try-on with the March boxes try-on, just because like they were so close together. So I think this weekend that's what I'm going to do. So be sure to stay tuned for that, because I actually have a lot of face products in my February BoxyCharm box. And then this actually was kind of like the lips and the eyes. So yeah, I'm really excited to actually test out all these products. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. And also hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you will guys be notified every time I do upload. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!